Hello everybody. In today's post-pandemic time, there's an increasing scenario of work lines and functions getting fluid. What this means is that jobs are getting combined, people's roles are getting enhanced. It is now that you need to reskill yourselves and keep yourselves ahead of the others. During such periods, your personal brand value will certainly come to the front. And if you can elevate your brand value a lot better than what it is today, it will help you navigate your way to the top. Workplace Dynamics is proud to bring to you the first workshop of this kind called The Catalyst. In this workshop, we'll be focusing on navigating your way to the top. We'll be discussing how you could refine and define your personal brand, create a communication strategy around it, and importantly, help you leverage your stakeholders better. So if you are interested in navigating yourself up during these times and creating a personal brand that can be set for the future, this is the workshop that you must register and attend. It's going to be a workshop that's going to be engaging, immersive, full of exercises that will help you define yourself and help you create a way forward that's very, very customized to you. So look forward to your presence, to your registrations. It's happening on the 17th or the 18th of October as per your choice. Be there. Thank you.